welcome back to another quality video by Jason. Intersystems cache Mumps. Old school. Right, in this video we're going to be doing for loops. So a for loop is where it repeats a certain action over and over again. Oops, 10. Right, so for example, this one, what it's going to say is for x equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and it's going to write it to the screen. So we've got there for, so what it does it one by one. So it's saying for x equals 1 to count from 1 to 10 in steps of 10 and write it to the screen. Right, another example is for x equals 10 minus 1 to 0. So what do you think that will do? For x equals 10 to 0 in steps of minus 1. So it counts down. We could use something like this. For x equals 1, 0, 10. Let's see what this does. For x equals 1, 0, 10. So it's going to count from 1 to 10 in steps of 0, but then it wouldn't do anything. But what we do is we'll manually count it, and it should stop when it gets to 10. Oh, right. So it starts at, right, you see what's happened there? We've started off at 1, then we've added 1 plus 1 and written that out, so that's 2, and so on. And then it gets to 10, so it gets to the number 10, adds 1 onto it, and then writes that out. So in actual fact it starts at 2 to 11. For x equals 1 to 1, 5, read, enter a number, we'll have it in an array. Right, let's see what that does. Right, what that will do is it'll count from 1 to 5 in steps of 1, and for each one it will ask you a question, enter a number, so you type any number in and then it'll put it into an array. So enter a number, 23, 87, 234, 99, 3. So what that's done now, that's created an array. So it's created something like this. Look what we did in the previous lesson, an array. And let's write that out. So we'll write test. So test 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because we did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then the first number we put in was 23. The second was 87, the third was 234, 9903. For x equals 1, 2, 3, right, x. What do you think it'll do there? What it should do is just print out the word 1, 2 and 3. Yep, so it's going for x equals 1, so we're doing that and writing it. Then it says x equals 2, so we go on to the second one and writes it. And it looks on the third one and writes it. There's loads of stuff you can do with for loops. You can right, I think what we'll do is we'll call it a do there, because in about another 2 lessons we've got some proper code to do with a little bit of a game, a little guessing game. So what we'll do is we'll leave the for loops at that, and the next one are ifs. Thank you.